Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about United Bank. More specifically, I'm going to be talking to you about a few ways that you can order checks for your United Bank account. So first, just a little bit of background on what a check is. A check is a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then you give it to the person that you're paying. They will then deposit the check into their bank account, and once they do that, the money will be taken out of your account and deposited into theirs. So now that we have kind of an understanding of what checks are and how they're used, I'm going to be talking to you about 3 ways that you can order checks for your United Bank account. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else such as a bank statement that has your United Bank account number and routing number on it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open your browser on your phone and type in the bank web address. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser you normally use will work just fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I'm already on the United Bank website, and you can see the web address at the top, bankwithunited.com. You can also check out the description for the link to United Bank. So the first way to order your replacement checks is going to be by logging on to your United Bank account. To do this, you're going to look for the sign in button, which is located at the very top of the screen above the menu button. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so that you can see it a little bit better. So as you can see, it's on the right side of the screen. It's going to be the icon all the way to the left, right above the menu button. There's also a green lock icon. So you'll click that, and then that's going to bring over this drop down where you can select your personal bank account. Now, real quick, if you don't have a username and password, there is an option here where it says online banking sign up that you can click on that and then just follow the instructions on the screen to complete the sign up process to get your password and username. If you already have it, you'll click on personal, and then you're going to click on checking. Sorry, I clicked on the wrong thing. Under online bank sign up is where you're going to click secure sign in and then personal. That'll bring you to this screen here where you can click enter your user ID, click continue, and then enter your password. On the left side, you'll also see another place where you can click the sign up button to sign up for username and password. Usually, once you're logged in, you're going to go to banking options and then order online if available. Usually, banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way that you can order checks is by calling the customer service number for United Bank, and you can find this phone number located on the back of your debit card. The third way to order checks is going to be by going to google.com and doing a search for order replacement checks for United Bank. I already have this tab open, and I've already typed in the search bar order replacement checks for United Bank. And what this does is it brings up several third-party vendor websites that you can use to order your checks. Do be aware that prices and security features vary when ordering checks online through a third-party vendor. So if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendor websites to order checks from, please let me know in the comments. Ordering your checks this way is also where your voided check will come in handy because you'll need to have your exact United Bank account number and routing number for these checks. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and please be sure to check out the description for more information about United Bank.